simplicity, and minimalism in Zen. Let us embark on a journey towards a life unburdened by the ceaseless pursuit of material excess, where the very essence of simplicity and minimalism is revered as sacred wisdom. Welcome to the enlightening third chapter of our Odyssey through the world of Zen philosophy. Here, we delve deep into the profound art of embracing simplicity and minimalism as the guiding stars on our quest for inner serenity. The beauty of simplicity. In the heart of Zen, simplicity is not a mere concept. It is an art form, a profound philosophy of living. It's a tranquil refuge within the storm of our bustling modern lives. The art of simplicity invites us to peel back the layers of complexity that often obscure the profound beauty of both our thoughts and our surroundings. It reveals the exquisite elegance that resides in the unadorned essence of everything. Simplicity offers solace like an oasis in the desert, a place where we can breathe freely and bask in the unadorned grace of life's simplicity. The liberation of decluttering. In our fast-paced existence, we accumulate not only material possessions, but also a heavy load of mental clutter. Zen extends a hand of compassion, beckoning us to declutter our lives, both physically and mentally. It encourages us to let go of possessions that no longer serve a purpose, to release the emotional attachments that weigh on our hearts, and to experience the freedom that follows in their wake. This liberation is like stepping into the sunlight after a long, dark tunnel, where the fresh air of simplicity clears our path and illuminates our journey. Contentment in less. In a world that often defines wealth in terms of possessions and status, Zen whispers a different secret. It reveals that contentment is not found in the pursuit of more, but in the embrace of less. By losing our grip on material possessions and choosing a simpler way of life, we create spaciousness within our hearts. In this sanctuary, contentment blossoms like a rare, delicate flower, and we discover that true wealth resides in the richness of our experiences rather than the quantity of our possessions. Clarity through minimalism. Minimalism is a guiding light of clarity amidst the chaos of our daily existence. It urges us to streamline our surroundings, to shed the layers of excess, and to focus on what truly matters. Through simplifying our lives, we dispel the fog of distractions that so often cloud our vision. It's like wiping a dusty window clean, offering us a fresh, unobstructed view of the world, and granting us the gift of clear, unburdened thinking. Practical ways to embrace simplicity. In the forthcoming lectures, we shall explore practical methods and techniques that will empower you to infuse simplicity and minimalism into your life. From the art of decluttering your living space to the practice of simplifying your daily routine, these are the reliable companions on your journey towards a life infused with the elegance of simplicity. As we journey through the heart of simplicity and minimalism in Zen, prepare to experience a sense of liberation that will free your spirit appreciation for the beauty that often hides in the ordinary, and the clarity that will transform the way you perceive and engage with the world. Join us on this path, where simplicity becomes the doorway to contentment and focus, and where the pursuit of less leads to the abundance of inner riches.